Hello guys, I have a surprise for Sky. Let's see how will she react. Hey Sky, I have something for you. I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to see it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Open my surprise.
Open mine.
What is that?
Hamburger and
It's a big hamburger. Hold the phone.
Malandi. Tingnan. Hello, Maita. Si Shelo, umalis. Tingin ko pumunta siya kay Alice eh.
Hindi ako papayag na makulong ang anak ko, attorney. I have the money. By whoever or whatever just to acquit my son.
Handa po akong harapin ang asawa ko sa korte. Ipaglalaban ko yung kapatid ko hanggang kamatay.